So first of all, you're going to want to go onto Safari. Then you're going to want to type in Tumblr 16:9 backgrounds. This is just because so it can be the right size. So I am going to choose this one. Then you're going to want to go into Fonto. Fonto is free on the App Store, so you can get it. Then you're going to want to press the middle button with the camera. Then if you want to use a plain image, you can, but all I'm going to say is that you have to change the dimensions to 1280 by 720. But no, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use something from the photos that I just chose. And you can change the colours if you want. I want to change it a bit. Okay, so I've uploaded my image. You can just press anywhere to add text. So I'm going to put how to... I'm going to change the font to this one, blacklisted. And I'm just going to press size, and this will change the size of it. Then you're going to want to go on style, and this will let you change the colour of your font. So if you want to make a gradient, you just press on horizontal at the top, and then it takes you to horizontal. So I'm just going to change this to a blue. Then you press apply. Then you go to stroke if you want an outline. Then next you can go to style, and you can press this, and this will allow you to make a kind of backdrop for it. So mine is just going to be this. Okay, so that's how you make the font. So now I'm just going to place it here. Maybe size it down a bit. And also, I forgot to show you, when you're styling it, you can go into style, and on background you can scroll down and you can get these are really cute. I might just use this one. You can change the width of it and different things. Okay, so now I'm going to add another piece of text, so a cute thumbnail. So I'm going to align this one on the center, then change the font. Change the font and the colour, so just going to create another colour pattern. Save and apply because I like that. Then stroke, I'm going to make it big again. Okay, so maybe make it a tiny bit bigger. And I'm just going to add a bit of water, like splashing off it so it can make a really nice, cool effect. So you can tilt these things. So on iPhone, then I am going to change the font again. Maybe this one. No, I don't really like that one. Okay. Then you're going to want to go into font, style, maybe style it. Apply. Background. The reason why I don't do this on computer is because it's very fiddly on computer, and too, Fonto is really nice to use. So now you're going to go to the 3 lines. You're going to want to press add item. So this is to make a border. I like to do this last. So you can see 3 different icons on the bottom. You're going to want to go to the one with the stars. Then go on this. And when you've got it, you can resize it. Make the width wider, make the height, different things. Just gonna make it's too wide. Make it a bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a image of an iPhone. Should I use the black iPhone? Yeah. Let me just add the pink iPhone to see which one looks better. No, I agree that black looks better. So, as you can see, you can just play around with these things. Just going to delete this for a second and put it back on, because the reason why I didn't add this first is because it's a bit fiddly. Fiddly. Then I'm going to tilt it. Then if this is overlapping everything, you just press, for example, I press on the iPhone and it comes back again. So